Is your browser opening, but websites just won't load? No pages, endless loading, or no internet errors, even though Wi-Fi is connected? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you fast, proven fixes that work on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure the problem isn't your internet. If nothing loads on any device, the issue is your internet, not the browser. Browsers store temporary data called cache and cookies. When this data becomes corrupted, websites fail to load. This alone fixes blank pages, loading loops, and errors in most cases. Extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or security tools can block websites. This helps identify the exact extension causing the problem. Outdated browsers struggle with modern websites. Updates fix bugs, improve security, and restore compatibility instantly. Sometimes your browser is blocked by security software. Overprotective security settings are a common hidden cause. If nothing works, reset your browser. Good news. Bookmarks and passwords stay safe. Resetting removes deep configuration issues in seconds. If browsers still won't open websites, DNS issues silently break browsing, even with active internet. Most browser problems are easy to fix when you know where to look. Follow these steps in order, and your browser will work again. For more powerful fixes, tech guides, and real solutions, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.